Hi again, back from the Real Toy Shop with another beauty. Let's take you around it, listen to the Black Widow pipe, see what you think. Before we get going, thanks for all you subscribers and likers, always appreciative. So if you can spare just a little bit of time just to press the like button and subscribe, you'll see more of the same. And we've always got nice bikes and crazy cars. So without further ado, let's push on. So what we got? Well, one of the more economical bikes you can get. So if you're after a commuter or something you want to play on a Sunday and not spend a fortune, and these are absolutely great for the job. CB500. It's a 500cc, as you'd probably guessed. And for commuting and stuff, I really like this colour. Obviously, nothing better than being seen. My helmet matches this. And you can't beat saving a few quid on fuel these days. So looking at the bike, look at the condition of it. Obviously been well cared for. But Honda, as we know, fantastic for build quality and reliability and stuff like that. But look at those headers as you're going round it. As you can see up there, look, that's a rad guard on there. You got ABS, so you're giving that bit of confidence if you're riding it in all conditions. Got some knee pads on there, grip the tank, and then you've got the black going through, which really contrasts really well. Tail tidy makes the back end of the bike just look that much neater, and then you've got a Black Widow exhaust and link pipe, so it sounds like a proper bike. If you've got comments or anything like that, please drop them below, and you can probably guess the mileage as you're going along or something like that, just for fun. You stick it in the comments if you want, or don't if you don't want. There you go. Good tyres, matte black wheels with the decals on again, really bright, and a bit of fun in your life, bit of colour. That's us. There you go. But these are, they're knocking on the door. I can't remember what the actual figures are for them, but they're quite high up. They're 100 miles to the gallon nearly. You probably won't get that in the real world, but you're getting 80 or some thereabouts out of a bike. It's fantastic. Plus, if you do decide to commute, I'm not saying you should on this, you use it for your Sunday bike, but if you're commuting on something like this, you're not stuck in traffic and all the rest of it. All those people in the tin boxes having a terrible day because you're over here looking at that as you just whiz by all those people sat in those boxes. So, what can we do for you on this bike? You can see the condition as we're walking round. It's not battered or anything like that. And obviously, we've got some Oxford heated grips there to keep your dandies warm. And around here, we've got some fancy levers. So what can we do for you on the bike? Well, same with all the others. If you've got a part exchange, nip to our website, which is here, he says. Here. Oh, there's a little alarm on there as well. That's us. And that's also the same number if you're fancying some monthly payments. We'll sort you that out, not a problem. Make it all stress-free. But you need to give the office a call and have a chat about that, because we can't do it via email. That's against the law. Believe it or not. Look at it. Right. So that's the part exchange side of things. That's the finance side of things. Tinted lenses we've got on here as well. Just noticed I'm walking around. What's the next thing? Well, delivery. So my happy smiling face will bring this to you anywhere in mainland UK. Might be our dedicated motorcycle courier, we'll see, but it's for nothing. So you can come and have a look at this on a horrible rainy day, and we're happy to deliver it on another day if that's what you want. We're not saying you have to have it delivered, just that it's here for your perusal and then it can be delivered, or you can just give us a call and get it delivered. That simple. R&G crash bungs there as well. Nice. So what's next then? Well, guess you want to hear the noise from the Black Widow. It's got its baffle in, so it's not as loud as it can be. But before we do that, if there's anything you need to know about the bike, give us a call, not a problem. The link will be to the website ad as well. On the website, you can go on there and have a look. All the details of the bike are there. So, make yourself familiar, then give us a call, but make sure you've asked your missus first. Yep. Your mother, your brother, your dad, your lover, whoever, get them asked and give us a ring. Right then, mileage and noise. Mileage, did you guess it? 24,647. There's a good amount of fuel in there, and I promise to take none out. I don't know, we can scroll through there. That's just your trips. Oh, do we see an average there? 159 miles. Oh no, 15 miles per litre. I see. I thought I said 159 to the gallon. Obviously, you'll be able to swap that over, won't you? To miles per gallon. But if you know how it works out, work it out. Right, noise. ABS light. When does that go out? Drop it in the comments below. Well, let's just say it's supposed to be there. So there you go. That is a Honda. Quiet and noisy. That sounds ridiculous, doesn't it? But you know what I mean. Quiet from the engine. Nice noise from the exhaust. Proper thing. And that's got the baffle in it. There you go. So that's it. There's not a lot else I can tell you really, is there? So, Part X, number 1. Part X form, if you need it. Number 2, Lisa or Scott in the office, if you need it. Number 3, get it paid for, get it in a van. Let's get it to you as quick as we can. Thanks for watching again, boys and girls. It's always appreciated, and well done for getting this far. Hopefully, we'll be seeing you with this in your garden. See you on the next one. And don't forget, ask your missus first.